Dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss the status of shrimp culture in India. Shrimp farming was synonymous with the monoculture of tiger shrimp, Pinus monodon. About 1,90,000 hectare brackish water area have been developed for shrimp culture in the country. Since 1995, culture of Pinus monodon is affected by white spot syndrome virus, that is called WSSV, and the development of shrimp farming has been stagnant. Most of the Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia were also culture Pinus monodon, and since 2001 to 2002 onwards, most of them have shifted to culture of exotic white leg shrimp, Lithopenes venami, because of the availability of specific pathogen free brooder. In India, pilot scale production of L. venami was initiated in 2003. Shrimp aquaculture production by the world region 2000 to 2020. Actually, and it is shrimp aquaculture is increasing since 2000 to up to 2020. It is increasing. Global shrimp production trends. Venami accounts for over 75% of global shrimp production and about 70% of Asian shrimp production, expected to reach 4.5 million metric ton in 2018-2019 from the current level of about 3.75 million metric ton. America is led by Equator, Asia led by India and China. Shrimp aquaculture by major producing regions. Here I can see in Southeast Asia and maximum production 2003 to 2015. In China you can see the maximum production 2013 to 2015. So the status of Indian shrimp aquaculture farming activity already started. There are so many hatcheries are available. So because of farming and hatchery activity, feed mills are coming up, and also the processing units are established to the export point of view, and markets are available which mainly focus on this farming activities of shrimps. Shrimp hatcheries, there are about the hatcheries producing more than 100 million post larvae. The broodstock is imported from foreign countries, especially the Pinus venami. The specific pathogen free broods are imported from foreign countries. Aquatic quarantine facilities are available in India, and it is owned by Government of India. Broodstock Multiplication Center operated by Government of India in technical collaboration with Oceanic Institute USA. These are the seed production details. In 2014, there are about 3.5 billions of monodon and venami 26.5 billions, and 2017 and only 1 billion, whereas venami 53 billions. So in this way, The Vietnamese shrimp production is increasing because the farming activities are going on. So the farmers are mainly focusing on Vanami, so the shrimp production naturally increases. Challenges in shrimp production. There are so many challenges in the shrimp production. Zoea to mysis conversion, there is a problem. Then mysis to post-larval conversion problem causes not fully understood. Maybe the bacterial load is culprit for this. Live feeds in maturation causing infection, and we have to find the alternative. Adequate supply of quality broodstock is lacking. Regulatory mechanisms mandatory. It is a mandatory to register in government authority, that is Coastal Aquaculture Authority, and mandatory routine inspection on protocol by authorities, especially NPDA, Marine Product Export Development Authority. Routine random sample testing conducted by regulatory authorities, EIA. New trends in hatcheries. Quick naply stocking of the entire hatchery to avoid conversion problem. Complete shutdown and thorough disinfection of the entire hatchery. Operations after every cycle is giving good results. Pasteurized live feeds for maturation working very well, but not at all. Formulated feeds for maturation being tried. Shrimp production in India. India cultured shrimp production in financial year 2014-15 was about 4,20,500 metric ton. From financial year 2004 to 5 to financial year 2014 to 15, shrimp production has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 13%. The introduction of white leg shrimp, Litabilis vanami, in 2009 spurred growth in shrimp production during the last few years and displaced sales of the other major shrimp species, tiger shrimp. Farming of tiger shrimp declined once it was found to be susceptible to disease. In financial year 2014 and 15, the production of white leg shrimp rose to around 3,54,000 metric ton, which was 81% of the total shrimp production in India. The Vanami species is preferred due to its superior traits such as fast growth rate, disease resistance, lower feed requirements, and higher survival rate. In financial year 2014-15, the area under shrimp production in brackish water aquaculture was 1 lakhs. It is 12 lakhs 16,000 hectares, which was sub from 10 to 500 hectares in 2009 to 10. Industry source indicate the shrimp production accounts for 25% of the brackish water aquaculture. Similarly, the world production of pinnate or non-pinnate prawn was around 450,000 metric ton in financial year 2014 to 15, according to the industrial sources. The major marine wild species of prawn and shrimp were white prawn, Penaeus indicus, tiger prawn, Penaeus monodon, pink shrimp, Metapenaeus dobsoni, king prawn, Metapenaeus affinis, and marine shrimp, Parapenaeus stylifera. Cultured shrimp has generally been favored for growth over wild shrimp. Indian shrimp farming, 1,53,000 hectare under scientific shrimp farming, 40 to 50,000 hectare under traditional shrimp farming. Potential area 11,90,000 hectare, and in this we are culturing more than 90%. That is, we are culturing banami more than 90%. Farm production and productivity, average stocking density is 30% square meter, average harvest size 18 gram, average final survival rate 55%, average production cost 4.42 per kg, production growing because of expanding farming areas but productivity reducing, overall average farm production efficiency or sources rate 60%, rise in production cost serious concern, farming profitable only because of current high price, but the price are dropping, causing concern. Disease status, WSSV major problem, ESP spreading and causing slow growth, white fish disease syndrome quite widespread, causing slow growth and loose cells, running mortality during peak summer times, EMS, no other serious pathogens reported. New trends in farming, increased biosecurity measures in the nurseries to produce juveniles, to strengthen the animal health at the early stage, to better tackle disease, improve survivals, to reduce cost of production, to maximize utilization of good climatic conditions, measures to overcome ASP and white fishes syndrome, pond bottom liming, seed quality checks, rigorous disinfection of source waters, installed capacity over 2 million tons, production crossed 1 million tons in 2017. Every year, one or two new major feed mills being set up, increasing input costs, serious concern, farmers facing increased FCR and overall increased feed costs despite much competition among feed millers. Processing factories, approved type units eligible to export to European Union, units eligible to export to countries other than European Union. Quality control measures for exports, national residue control plan, a stationary requirement for exporting to EU countries, pre-harvest testing, health certificate by EAA. Industry has adopted modern method of handling, processing, besides adequate quality control measures to improve the quality of seafood, mandatory HACCP complaints for all processing plants, export rejection percentage is very low despite export at all time high. Food safety issues, although detected in only 0.22% of exported shrimp, is a serious concern for exporters as they face the brunt of the rejections. More stringent inspections by importers, particularly EU, 50% testing, declining demand for large sizes, unfortunate, particularly for small and marginal farmers who mostly prefer to produce big size animals. Future outlook, Indian shrimp aquaculture poised like a cat on the wall. India can sustain its record breaking run if it is manages to improve productivity, overcome threats from existing and emerging pathogens, and also take proactive measures to ensure 100% feed safety compliance. One side is enormous resources and resilient and enterprising aquaculture stakeholders ready to fill the void in world shrimp supply. Other side is new diseases spread, lowering productivity and threatening to collapse the sector. World shrimp production rising, but demand is flat, putting pressure on price and profitability. New records in 2018. India poised to touch the 70 lakhs tons production mark. India production catching up with China and expected to surpass China's production. India will become the largest producer and continue to be larger exporter of banana. Production in Andhra Pradesh states alone to crash 4 lakhs tons. Steel production to hit all-time high of 70 million. Need of the hour. Focus on improving productivity to ensure profitability and sustainability, mostly disease control to improve survival and growth. Establish facilities to test pathogens and residues in all inputs for all stockholders. Certified inputs for all stockholders in the sector. Sustain the supply of quality broodstock, BMC, AQF, NBC. Solutions to overcome EHP and whitefish diseases. Disease resistance seeds, particularly for small and marginal farmers doing traditional farming. Focus on domestic market. Focus on selective breeding program for native species. Strategies for increasing production, species diversification, development of captive broodstock and domestication of identified species, ensuring adoption of appropriate biosecurity measures by the hatcheries for supply of pathogen-free sea, development of environmental friendly and cost-effective culture technologies for both shrimp and finfish, focusing on small-scale farmers, comprehensive health management approach in shrimp hatcheries and farms, promotion of institutional mechanism. So these are the some of the cultural species, that is Penaeus monodon, generally called giant tiger shrimp, and Penaeus semicelcatus, commonly called green tiger shrimp. This is Penaeus indigus. Previously it is called Penaeus indigus, now it is called Penaeus indigus. And now all time the culture is it is dominated almost all the shrimp culture, that is Lithopenaeus monami. In India, almost all the states they are concentrating Lithopenaeus monami. Previously they concentrated on monodon, because the monodon is facing white spot disease as well as pollution problem. So farmers are now concentrating on Lithopenaeus monami. Thank you very much.